We got an extra, let's see, a little sign right there says 30% off the hash wall, so hopefully we can find something. An additional 30% off. Here at the size 10, size 10, 10 and a half. We got all kinds of Kyries. 130 retail, 30% off. That's 270, 60 bucks, 30% off. Not the coolest colorway, but still a good deal. We got some Witness 2s. Look, those are 79. That one is 64. That one probably hasn't been updated yet. Not bad. Finally, 10 and a half. Finally found something decent. Some ADs. 70 bucks. Not bad. That's a Air Max of Tempos. Oh, 720 up Tempos. Not bad. Not bad. These are probably the dopest shoes here, but retail though. Retail minus 30% off. Still a little steep for me. Got the Laney's, 139, not bad. 33s. What color? I think it's a colorway that I saw for 100 that I regret not buying. It's like the Vast Gray sale. 150, not bad. 312s available everywhere usually. The features. Nothing really, nothing else. Another Team Jordan. 270 utilities. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is crazy. Crazy cheap. Got some of the elements, kind of the usual. The Vapor Max 120, not bad. Not bad. Air Max Plus 110. Another Air Max Plus 120. There was absolutely nothing at the Nike outlets. So there was absolutely nothing at the Nike outlet. I think it might have been that 4th of July day or something. Everybody came and made pickups. I don't know. But there really was nothing. There's a Nike outlet. Let's see what deals they got. 30% off store wide. Not bad. Not bad. See what we find. Usually this is the section with all the boosts. Not looking good. Not looking good. After her 4th of July, so looks like everything's gone. Looks like all the good shoes are gone. They had a bunch of Ultra Boost a while back. Wow, really nothing out. I got these marathons, 30% off. These were 50 2 weeks ago. 50% off. Those were 50% off. Same shoe actually. So, wow, this is like bare. There's like literally nothing here. Even the clearance section just isn't much. There's not much. We go for size like 11 and a half, 12 for a family member. Nothing. Even size 10 for myself. Nothing. Rising Stars, I saw $100. Those are 50% off. A couple weeks ago as well. Those are all 30% off now, so 70. Those hitting for like 50, 60 last time. Now they're 70. 30% off the Stan Smith. Those are 50% off last time too. Got some funky looking Superstars in the women's section. I just don't cover accessories or clothes that much, but look, it's $10. $10. Not bad. Also got these red ones. It says Creators Unite. Not bad for $10. So I was talking to one of the workers, and he was telling me that they haven't had a shipment in, what day is it right now? They haven't had a shipment in like 4 or 5 days, so So he even admitted and told me that.
Saturday.
Okay. Yeah. So like 3 or 4 days they haven't had shipment. So they've been telling me how dead they are. So yeah, not it. Can't find it. Can't find something at the outlet every trip. So it is what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching. Probably a short video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. The usual. Just walking around. Look at this. Look at this. And even got some fitted hats. It's crazy. $5. Not bad. Outlets always got deals. Always got deals.